Hey YouTube, I was planning on working on this tensioner today to basically make it move backwards and forwards via the arm, but I've decided I probably need to start working on the frame because where the arm is going to move may interfere with the frame, so probably best I start making some progress towards frame building. Originally I thought about using leftover chain and sprockets to lift the deck straight up and down, but it seemed a little overcomplicated. So what I'm doing is going back to an original idea. And that's going back to see what sort of parts I can salvage off this original mower. There's a height adjustment for the deck. There's this lever here which could possibly be used for the tensioner. So I'm going to pull this all apart and find out what can be used from it.